What's going on, guys? Welcome to this new video. So in today's episode, I'll be showing you how to get a free recharge card, not just for free chance but for purchases online as well. So without any further ado, guys, let's aim this tutorial. So before I proceed any further, I would like to emphasize on the fact that you check that video description for important links mentioned in this video. So the app we'll be using today is called PEXX. You can get it from your Google Play Store or your App Store, or you can download it directly from the video description. So once on your App Store, you just want to click on this install button. If you're on iOS, you want to click on the get button. It's just different for everyone, but same process overall. So after installing the app, you just want to click on this open button to open the app. We're getting a vast day offer, so just want to click on the use card now, and this should take you to the sign up page. Okay, you just want to click on this sign up here. So for the verification, it's always preferable to verify through WhatsApp, because Telegram can be somewhat of a nuisance, and they can block the sign up process in most cases. As for the SMS, network issues can cause this can make this a seriously big deal. So I always recommend to verify through WhatsApp, because this one is more reliable than Telegram. And as for the SMS, I would not recommend that one, because network issues can make this very much of a hassle. So you just want to enter your phone number right there, and then you proceed. Now enter the code you received on WhatsApp. Right now you need to enter your email address. So after entering your email address, you have to enter the verification code. Now you want to allow push notifications, because this is a finance app, and then now you need to create a passcode. Alright, now you can skip this verification or take it later, but either ways you have to take the verification. Let me just skip this for now so we can get to the application's home screen. Great, this is how the application should look on your site after you've signed up successfully. Now you can go to the card section to get information about the card. You can see you can activate a free card, right? So you just want to click on this activate free card right here, which will prompt you to complete a KYC verification. Now this KYC verification, also known as know your customer verification, is a major requirement that most fintech apps or banking apps must comply with federal laws or with local laws to make sure that the customers that they are handling are actually safe. Right, so you just want to complete this verification to get a free recharge card. It doesn't take much time. Let's just go with this, and I will show you how to get past this in just a few minutes. So just click on this start verification. Now if you are a resident of the United States, you want to check this United States. If you are a resident of another country besides the United States, you want to check on this one. Right, now you need to verify your identity by uploading your identity document, right, and taking a selfie. But first, let's provide a few details about yourself. Now here you need to enter your first name, middle name, last name, okay, your date of birth and the country of residence, your phone number. Right, you also have to enter your address, your city, and select your country. Okay, if you are a United States resident, you want to enter your social security number, right, but that one is optional. So let's get this started. So after entering this information, just want to click on continue. Now based on your country, you'll be prompted to set or verify with a few verification methods. You can upload your ID card, passport, or any other document, but this will depend on your country. So you just want to select the option that is most convenient for you and provide it. So after providing everything that's required, you will see this come up. Right, so you have just 2 minutes to wait, and then your KYC verification should be completed right away. Right, so let me just enter the passcode again. Great, now let's go again to this card section. Just want to refresh the page, and now you click on this activate your free card, and this should prompt an activation review right away. So you just have to wait for a few moments for the card activation to be completed and then to be issued a card. So after just about 2 minutes, your card should be activated right away. And for now, the card balance is low, yeah, but this is just what interests us the most here, the virtual card. Okay, so you can, if you want to know details about your card, you can just click on this details tab here to reveal the details of your virtual card. All right, so these details are very updated, and as long as you update your card, or you top up your balance, this card is going to be active and you can use it either for free trials or even online purchases. What I love even more about this virtual card is that you can add it to digital wallets such as Google Wallet, right? So if you are using Google Pay or Apple Pay, you can add this card to any of these wallets and it should work just well. Alright, and if you want to know more about the virtual card you're dealing with, you can view the card benefits by clicking on this button right here. So you can see the card's main currencies are US dollars, USDT, USDC, and you can use it anywhere MasterCard is accepted. Also, you don't have hidden fees when using this card. Everything is completely transparent. And as for the breakdown, you can see the base currency, activation fee which is 0 USD, annual fee 0 USD, top up fee 0 USD, minimum top up 2 USD, top up methods, the cross border fee, transaction fee, application time which is just a minute. As I told you earlier, it didn't even take up to 2 minutes. And here comes the section, the wallet, right? You can use it for Apple Pay, Google Pay, WeChat Pay, Alipay, or any other digital payment app. All right, you can even use it with PayPal. This should work well with PayPal, right? So guys, this is how you get a free virtual card for your online transactions and free trials in just a few minutes. It doesn't take much time. As long as you provide what's required to the application, you should get a free virtual card up and running that you can use for free trials right away, or you can top up for your online transactions. So guys, if you found this video actually helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel down below, and tap the notification bell to not miss anything from us. Right, I catch you in the next episode.